मॉर्निंग हिस्ट्री क्लास 12 थीम्स इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री पार्ट सेकंड है। रिलीजियस हिस्टोरीज द भक्ति सूफी ट्रेडिशन यूनिट। और क्वेश्चन है रीड एनी 4 ऑफ द सोर्सेज इंक्लूडिंग इन दिस चैप्टर एंड डिस्कस द सोशल एंड रिलीजियस आइडियाज दैट आर एक्सप्रेस्ड इन देम। important sources of Sufism. So Sufism का important sources क्या था? A large number of sources are available regarding Sufism. It is because of the fact that Sufi sheikhs themselves were great scholars. Sufi sheikhs, they had a special interest in the religious literature. A brief account of the some of important sources is as under. Kashful मजाहिब महाजिब, काशिबुल महाजिब है ये इसका शीर्षक इस चैप्टर का। काशिबुल महाजिब वाज ए फेमस बुक रिटन बाय अली बिन उस्मान हुजवीरी। तो काशिबुल महाजिब जो है वो एक बुक है, उनकी फेमस बुक है सूफीज़म की। He was popularly known as Data Ganj Bakhsh. In this book, he has given detailed description of Sufi disciplines and the principles and Sufism principles or modes के बारे में दिया, practicing them. It also enables historians to examine how tradition which existed outside the subcontinent. तो क्या tradition था subcontinent में influenced Sufism thought in India. Malfuzats are the valuable sources related to Sufi thoughts. They are a collection of conservation of Sufi saints. जो Sufi saints थे, Malfuzat were the two kinds of. The first kind of Malfuzats were those who were written after the death of the sheikh. In it, a discipline of the sheikh threw light on the life teaching and miracles of his life. तो उसके लाइफ के बारे में बताया गया है। The second kind of Malfuzats were considered more authentic. They were written by the principles of sheikh during his lifetime. The sheikh themselves read them and if needed they also revised them. Special attention was paid to the chronology of dates. Among these Malfuzats, Fadil ul Fawad was the most famous. It was compiled by Amir Hussain Sizi Dehlvi, a famous poet of Persia. It gives a chronicle description of the discourse given by Nizamuddin Aulia from 1307 to 1322. It has special significance from the historian point of view, according to Dr. A.L. Shrivastava, a famous historian. It is looked upon as a record of inestimable value of Sufism philosophy. The name another famous Malfuzat was the Asrar ul Awliya, the description of conservation of Sheikh Fiduddin Ganj Sheikh Shakar. It was compiled by Maulana Badr Ishaq. Muktabat means collection of letters. These were letters written by Sufi saints. Sufi saints के जो letter थे उनको collect करके डाटा मिला है of their disciplines and associates. From these letters we get valuable information about religious experience of sheikhs. In these letters, sheikhs reflected on terrestrial and intellectual life of their murids disciplines. They also responded to their aspiration and difficulties. Among letters written by Sufi saints, a letter entitled Muktabat-e-Imam Rabbani, written by Sheikh Ahmed Sarhindi, has been the most popular. It helps the historian to make comparative study of the ideology of Sheikh with the liberal and non-sectarian view of Akbar. Zikaras. Zikaras means biographical accounts of Sufi saints. The first तज़किरा in India was written by मीर ख्वारिज किरमानी, जो बुक लिखी गई थी जिसमें सूफी के बारे में पता लगता है in the 14th century. Its title is Siyar ul Auliya. It was highlighted in the life of Chishti saints. The most famous tazkira of the Sufi and Akbarul Akhir. It was composed by Abdul Haq Maqdis Dahlvi. In it, the author has thrown valuable light on the life of 225 Sufi saints. 225 Sufi saints के बारे में लिखा हुआ है. Towards the end of this book, the author had described his life and lineage. Through many description of the tazkira was strange and incredible, yet it has a great value from the historical perspective. तो इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.